toys are scattered on the floor. Pick them up and close the door. Blocks and cars go in the bin. Cleaning up is fun, let's begin.
Books and crayons on the chair. Let's put them all back there.
Sing a song while we all play. Happy helpers save the day.
Stuffed bears, dolls, and tiny shoes. Line them up and sing the blues. Sweep the floor, mop it too. Shiny room, hooray for you.
Clap your hands and